Malocclusion, even if you have a high spot. I mean, the general dentist, we all know, I went to dental school. If you have a high spot, the patient will focus on it. And if they are bruxism, they'll focus on that one spot, that one high crown, day and night. And at night, they'll brux on it. They'll brux on it. They'll brux on it. But it isn't the high spot that is causing the bruxism. The fact is, well known, well established, statistically proven that bruxism is created somehow, we don't know how exactly, by anxiety and stress. And if you want to add worry, stressors. That is statistically proven, and it is also intuitively known by everybody. If you live on planet Earth, you have to deal with stress and anxiety. And some people do better than others in handling that. And that, again, is a whole other topic and why that might be. But that is not my area to discuss today. But if you live on planet Earth, you will be stressed. You will have anxious times and worry, which somehow converts through the central nervous system into constant motion of the jaw muscles, which are then called bruxism. And bruxism can occur actually day or night, does not, just so we're really clear here. Bruxism is clenching and or grinding during the night or the day, or both. It does not have to be noisy. It can be silent with just clenching.